Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your DU SIM card in 2026. So whether you are switching the providers, leaving the UAE or just closing an extra line, you can now start this process directly from your phone. So first of all, you need to ensure that your account is ready. For postpaid users, you must pay any of the outstanding bills. So once you have done it, simply open your DU application on your phone. After logging in your account, simply go to the billing section and here you need to clear your balance. If you are still under the contract, just be aware that the application will show you any early exit fees you need to pay before the line can be closed. Now in your DU application, you just have to basically log in your account first. For most of the secure and the fastest cancellation in 2026, you can use login with the help of your UAE pass. So once logged in, simply click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner, then go to the option of manage. In the manage, simply select your mobile number which you want to close. Underneath the number, you will see the option of cancel my line or deactivate the SIM. So after tapping on that option, you need to follow further on-screen instructions in order to submit your deactivation request. You will be asked to choose a reason for leaving, such as relocating abroad. So after submitting, the application will generate a request reference number. In 2026, DU typically requires a final confirmation. A representative may call you within 24 to 48 hours to finalize the deactivation. If you have a prepaid SIM, you don't actually need to do anything online. The prepaid lines in the UAE are designed to self-deactivate. If you stop using the SIM and do not recharge for the next 90 days, the system will automatically expire the registration and deactivate the line permanently. So, if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.